My name is Seth with Friendly Computers, and I'm here to tell you about breaking down laptops. First thing you want to do is you want to take off the battery, and then you'll want to pull off any cards that you have. Okay, and that's pretty much it for the bottom. And then the next section would be actually getting ready to take off the screen. Okay, and we have the keyboard here. And then we're ready to pull off the screen. Alright, and the next piece that comes up is the upper section. And then we'll want to pull out the optical drive. And then the next one we want to take out is the hard drive. And then we'll want to pull off this housing here, which houses the optical drive, and then the hard drive housing. And then we'll want to take off the CPU cooler. And then we'll pull that out. And then we want to pull out the processor. And make sure you don't bend the pins. And then we want to pull that off. And we have it down to the bare motherboard, in which this is definitely something you do not want to try at home.